When people try to meditate or relax, they find that their mind wanders and they get more stressed. Use the power of sound to bring balance, relaxation, and a sense of well-being to your mind, body, and spirit. This unique collection of singing bowls, Om mantra chants, and healing sounds gives you a strong feeling of peace, so you can distance yourself from the issues in your life, allowing you to rise above them. Sounds that ring at just the right frequency to fill you with calm, peace, and intuition. Soothing sounds that aid in meditation, causing a better result for you and those around you. Perfect soundscapes for wellness, Zen, Reiki, yoga, massage, Qigong, energy work. A sound bath for letting go, relaxing, and healing. Immerse yourself in a world of limitless relaxation.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?